Yo, what up? As y'all can see, fucking, we got, we got a fucking, we got a motherfucking snowstorm already starting. They're fucking hitting our ear hard like a motherfucker. I'm getting. And it's fucking starting to get up, and it's starting to get fucking ugly. Man, I don't know. I'm looking forward to. And I know it wasn't. I know it wasn't finna look. I knew it wasn't finna be look. I mean, I knew it wasn't finna be looking forward to that shit. I mean, what the fuck? And, look, it's already hit. It's already hit. Oh, it's already hitting. That's hard. I mean, what the fuck? Man, this and tomorrow finna be all fucked up. I mean, the streets and roads, anyways. The streets and roads finna be all fucked up by tomorrow. This snowstorm supposed to end by one by one tomorrow, from what I heard on the radio. Fucking, fucking nieve, fucking nieve como loco. Man, it's fucking. It's already a blizzard out. It's already a blizzard out there right now. I mean, so anybody that anybody that made plans of going out, don't be going out. Avoid getting stuck at all. Getting stuck at all costs. I mean, motherfucking for real. And it's up. Look, it's already. And look, it's already hitting us hard. Anyway, I gotta go. I'll check out. I gotta dip. I'll check out later. Peace.